We're doing research on game-based learning since almost 10 years now, and that's also the reason why we built the toolkit. For us, games have a really high educational potential in terms of fostering motivation and even imparting knowledge and competences. And one of the key success parts of digital games is the incentive system and the reward system. That's the reason that why we use gamification a lot. Gamification is actually the idea about using game mechanics in non-gaming contexts, like in school. This idea is quite old when you look at elementary school, like these stickers and badges that little kids get if they are doing a great homework. And the idea would be to use this powerful incentive system in educational contexts as well, like in schools. So instead of tasks the students have to fulfill or grades they have to get, they get experience points, they get badges, and they get exciting quests they have to do. They can solve these quests in groups, which means there is a strong social component in it. And actually this whole gamification approach can be linked to the social determination theory, which means that on the one hand we have autonomy, like freedom to explore. On the other hand we have competence. It's really important for students to experience rewards that are imminent, which means they get feedback, positive feedback without any breaks between the feedback cycles. And the last part would be the social part, so experiencing games, experiencing tasks together with other students and working on problems together, because we know that problem solving is actually really complex and it can only be achieved if there are teams working on these problems, if there is a lot of teamwork involved and collaboration. That's the reason why we're using gamification and doing research on gamification.